Hello Notion users. Today I wanted to demo a Notion period tracker that I've created, and I'll include the link to where you can get it in the description below. All right, let's get started. So this is the table view. I've included each month already. This is the average cycle relation, which basically you just keep there. Don't delete that because that's what calculates your cycle. You have, this is the board view. I'll show you that in a moment. And the calendar view. This is just a little poem or something. Okay. So here are the instructions. And this is the archive. Once you archive your periods, they'll be in here. So you can have like the whole previous year periods in there if you'd like. All right, let's get started. First thing you want to do is make this active so that it appears in the board view. Next, you want to add your period. Today's the 5th. Let's say my period starts today. And whenever you like, you can add the end date of your period. Mine is always 3 days, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it now. There's no last period to add for your very first one that you put in here, so there isn't going to be a prediction or anything. The only predictions you'll get when you first add your period is the fertile and ovulation windows. Now, you can go ahead and just add on these months. And then, let's say you get 2 periods in 1 month. You can either just add new and make sure you add this average cycle relation, or another simple way is just to duplicate this. So let's say we got another period, January 29th. It's active, okay. We'll change these dates. And right here is where you add your last period. So the last period was this one. And here's where you get the cycle calculation. So this is saying that the cycle is 24 days. Each period you add, your cycle becomes more and more accurate. And here is the prediction for your next period. So this is predicting that my next period will be February 22nd. Okay. Over here is where you add your flow. When you duplicate it, you would just change these if whatever you need to change or add. You have your symptoms, your mood, your cramps, any medications you're taking, whether or not you exercised, your energy level. So those are all in there. And then you'll see that right down here on the board view. Your period dates, the length of your period, ovulation, fertile, flow, symptoms, energy level. And then on your last month, your present month, you'll see the predicted period, which is this. Okay, so let's say we get another period in February. This is saying my predicted period is February 22nd. We'll make this active. I need to fix this. Okay, it's supposed to show up in here. Show. And then we'll add the date. Let's say that the period actually arrived on the 20th of February. And let's say it was like, what is that, 5 days long? 1, 2, 3, 5. We'll add the last period, January 29th. And with here, the cycle has updated to 23 days, and you can see here, this month the period was 1 day late, and this month it was 1 day early. And let's just scroll down here and you can see everything. In the calendar view and the board view. If it's time of the month, the date is during your fertile or ovulation time, it will show up here too, right at the very bottom. And you can archive these, like I said. So if I make this, to archive this, it is now going to be in here. And that just like cleans up this table here. That's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, comments, just go ahead and leave it below. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as I said, I will leave the link to where you can get this template if you like it. Thank you.